Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I am going to try to do the majority of my makeup subscription boxes that I've received recently. So today's going to be a long day. You're probably going to see your girl in the same outfit because I think I'm going to attempt to do 4 videos today, but most likely I'm probably going to do 3. So if you guys want to start off with, we're going to start off with the Macys Beauty Box. If you guys want to see what I got in my Macys Beauty Box, then keep on watching. Guys, so I have this beautiful skull pink shirt on today, and it just sucks because the camera it's not showing the love and showing my beautiful little skull shirt. If you're new to my channel, you won't know that I love pink. I'm very girly, so pink shirt. I'm back to my sequins backdrops again. The white was getting a little too boring for me. I'm very, like, you know, out there. Like, I love glitz and glam, so I'm like, this is more my personality. So I think I'm gonna go back to the sequins backdrops, and I'm super excited to show you guys all of these boxes that have just been sitting here. Your girl's been busy, but I'm back and ready to film to my heart's content. So this is going to be the Macys Beauty Box for the month of January. Okay, so this box retails for only $15, which I think is an amazing deal. I did open this because I was shopping last weekend and I thought I was going to go to Macy's and buy something from the cosmetics department, but I actually ended up buying what I wanted in Sephora. So I took the coupon out, but I didn't even use it. So I'll show you the coupon that I was going to use. They always give you like a coupon, so it's different every single month. It could be $10 off of $40, $5 off of $20. They used to just give $5 off any purchase. Those was my favorite type of coupons, but they don't really do those anymore. But nevertheless, this is how the box comes. Now it was in a not plastic, it was in pink tissue paper, but I took that out because I was fishing for my coupon. So this is what was inside the box. So I'm going to show you guys what I got for this month. So the first thing, it wasn't in a bag. The bag was outside of the tissue paper, but I just put everything in here just to make everything nice and neat. That's my Virgo OCD for ya. So I think I received this probably from a Macys Beauty Box or Ipsy. It is Hydration Ampule Concentrates from Babor. So I definitely won't be using these, so I will be giving this away. My skin does not need any type of hydration. My skin's very oily. I like the little bag that they gave us. It says self-care. It's like a pink little bag. It says be kind to yourself, me time. Very cute. I like that they give makeup bags, but it's just, I always carry. This is good for somebody who's probably like really young, who's just getting into makeup, because anybody who's like really into makeup, they have way bigger makeup bags because I carry a lot of stuff. This wouldn't even hold my lip glosses. So normally I have a makeup bag in the makeup bag. Like, I have a makeup bag that puts like all my lip pencils, my lip gloss, lip liners, lipsticks in the bag, because I like to carry like 3-4 different colors because I never know what I'm gonna wear. Alrighty, so let's see. This was the card. The card tells you like what you're gonna get in your box. That's the inside. This was the coupon that I got. It was $5 off when you spend $20, but I put it back in my bag because I didn't end up using it, and thought I'd just show it with you guys. Alrighty, so let's see what else I got in here. I will say I pretty much saw everything I got in here, and this is not one of my favorites. I would say I usually love everything in the Macys Beauty Boxes, but this month was a no-go for me. So the second thing is it says Youth House Glow and Go Golden Eye Recovery Patches. So that's the second thing I received. The next thing I received is a Clarins Eye Lift Concentrate. So right off the bat, it's 3 skincare items. And if you are new to my channel, you know I hate when their boxes is like majority skincare. I feel like for beauty boxes, it should be majority makeup. So right off the bat, oh no, more skincare. So now this is 4 items at skincare. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, which I have received in one of my many makeup subscription boxes. So that's 4 items worth of skincare. Right? Still, where's the makeup? Then I got a Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, which I actually do love Ahava's Mineral Hand Cream. I actually have one of Ahava's hand creams right here on my table that I filmed from. This one is Dead Water Mineral Hand Cream. I think I got this in like Ipsy, one of my Ipsy subscription boxes. And then the last thing I got is a Estee Lauder Beautiful Magnolia fragrance. So your girl honestly is not happy because there's not even one makeup item in this box for a beauty subscription box. So that is a little of a bummer. I do like the smell of this. I don't like Estee Lauder's fragrances, but this one I actually like. It smells like a magnolia, hence the name Beautiful Magnolia, but I love the sense of like anything floral. Yeah, this is very nice. This is a very nice scent if you like the smell of a magnolia flower. Very nice. So this box would be I did like these 2 items out of everything. And keep in mind the box is only $15, so it's like beggars can't be choosers. You know, it's a makeup subscription box. You get what you get. It's a mystery. You know, you win some, you lose some. The majority of the boxes I have loved. This is like the first time in a long time I haven't liked a box from a Macys Beauty Box. Will I use the eye patch? Yes, but everything else probably not so much. I did use this cleansing balm, but I have other cleansing balms. This one felt like extremely greasy compared to the other ones that I have. Like I love the Pharmacy, the green one, cleansing balm. I use the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. Those 2 I would say are my favorite. This one not so much, so this will definitely, all of these will go into the box of like my giveaways. Saving a lot of stuff up for when I hit 2,000 subscribers. What did you guys think about this box? I was not happy at all. Not happy. I can't even like fake it. This box was for me this month, 0 out of 10. 0. Alrighty guys, so I think I'm going to I want to do my ice cream beauty box. This has been like one of my faves lately because they actually give you makeup in it. Majority makeup. The box is pretty much all makeup. So I love this box. It's an indie subscription box. So I am going to film that one next. And then I got Look Fantastic PR. They sent me a box for the month of January. So I'm going to film that one afterwards. And then I got some other PR that got sent to me. I've been getting a lot of PR lately and I'm really appreciative of it. God is good. When people reach out to me, I'm just like, you guys know little old me, this small beauty content creator. But I mean, I'm happy that they have faith and confidence in me and, you know, showing their stuff, and I appreciate it. And as always, I would never show anything that I didn't like. If I like something, I like it and I'll say it. If I have something and I don't like it, I definitely say it too. Just because I get PR doesn't mean I want to say that something's good when it's not. Do a lot of YouTubers do that? Yes, but that's not me, and that never will be me. This was not gifted to me. I paid for this box myself, just for the record. But that's really about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always,